let's start with the battery. First, you'll notice the large external power pack included in this package. To check this battery, hold down the button on the side of the pack until it lights up the small display. This display will tell you the current capacity and an approximate remaining time estimate. To attach the battery to the camera and cage, hold down this button on the side of the power pack and ease the plate in. Next, the included dummy battery has a DC jack attached to it, which plugs into the external battery on the short side. Make sure the connector fits snugly. On the bottom side of the camera, seat the dummy battery, ensuring it makes a good contact. When you are done shooting and you need to charge the battery, you'll need to put it into sleep mode. Hold down the button for 20 seconds. When the screen goes dark, release the button. Next, find the D-tap power adapter and plug it into the green terminal on the short side.